Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be using dip powders from Bling Galleria to create a fun, vibrant mani today. The first color that we're going to be dipping into is Green Goddess, and I've used this before. It's a beautiful, bright, solid neon green, and it's super pretty. And then we're going to pair it with Sea Glass, which this is the star of the show today. This is a very beautiful light green glitter mix, and it kind of has some holographic, shifty color glitters in there, and it's super pretty. And then Lemon Lime. I love this color so much. It is the perfect neon yellow. It's that neon yellow with a tinge of green to it. It's super pretty. And here are the three colors together. I think they're super pretty and vibrant. And then we have that touch of bling there with that sea glass glitter. These colors are perfect for the upcoming St. Patty's Day. And also we're heading into that spring break season, and this mani would be perfect for that as well. So for today's mani, we are going to be making a set of press-ons. I'm going to be using jelly tips. I find that the jelly tips are more comfortable when I'm making press-ons. And I do like making press-ons because then I can rewear them. So that's one of the main reasons why I like to sneak in a press-on mani in my videos every so often. I know I do a lot of press-ons with Bling Galleria because the pigments are so beautiful and I want to rewear them. I mean, realistically, I want to rewear all my manis because I switch them up so often, but I just really like that I can do that with press-ons. So I will go ahead and link everything in the description box and everything that you would need to create your own press-ons at home. And to adhere your press-ons, you can either use these little adhesive sticky tabs, which I'll link in the description box as well, or you can use your dip liquids base as well to adhere your jelly tips. And you can also put a layer of peel base underneath that nail before you go in with the dip base to help with removing the nail, and that will actually give you more of a clean removal, and it won't damage your nails at all. So that's another trick to doing press-ons. Okay, so enough chit chat. Check out that vibrant green with Green Goddess, and I love the name of Green Goddess. I think it's super fun. I know last week we played with some neon colors as well from Bling Galleria, and they're super pretty. Again, I will leave a picture right here so you can see those beautiful neon colors. I'm totally into like the bright neon colors right now, and this green and yellow are perfect. And you always see like darker greens for St. Patty's Day, which you'll see on my channel in the next couple days, but I really like the twist of the neon. It's just like a different take on St. Patty's Day. All right, so let's dive into this mani process, and then I'll pop back in at the end.
I know you've been hurt, I know that you're trying. The boss is complaining, your phone's always ringing. outside there's the cold wind, inside the monotony. Baby, we need an exit from this. Honey, we need that sweet release. I know it will feel them, the electric feelings. You and me all night, yeah, be alright. If you close your eyes, so close your eyes. Feel the sunlight. Baby, we'll fly to Madrid. Wanna get away one night or two. Madrid, go outside, forget me and you. Fall in love one time, 2 times, 300 times. Wanna get far away, boy, I'm tired of the rainy days. Now I got you warmed up, tell me you see it, and I'll
All right, we're just wrapping up the mani here, and how sparkly and vibrant is this mani? I really like how this turned out. I'm completely in love with that glitter sea glass. It is super pretty and perfect for the upcoming spring season and summer, and that would pair with so many different colors. It would even look good with like some corals or blues, so very pretty. And I really like that pop of neon that we placed in the mani today. So I will go ahead and list everything that we use in today's mani in the description box below. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in tomorrow's upload.